Hi guys, this is Carrie from Glitzy Glam, and I wanted to share a craft project with you. I heard Dollar Tree has some 12 by 12 frames that can be used for framing the calendar pictures that I'm going to be framing throughout the year. I bought two, one to use as a calendar and one to use the pictures in frames to decorate. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more and share my videos with your friends and family that may enjoy this. But it's just a craft project that I thought of that I could change out every month or whenever I want to until I find some 12 by 12 frames from Dollar Tree, because hey, they're only $1 versus $16-17 for a 12 by 12 frame. So I hope you like this video. All right, let me show you what I'm working on. This is a 12 by 12 board. I usually do stenciling and painting parties with this as my canvas, but today what I wanted to do, and I'll tell you why, I bought these calendars for $1 that had these pretty decor pages, and I wanted to use them to decorate in for each season. Now what happened is, since I only paid $1 for this, I thought I'd look for a picture frame. Well, the picture frames I could find on Amazon were like $16 for 12 by 12 frame, and you know, I just wasn't that happy with paying $1 for a calendar where I could get all of these photos for $1 and then pay $16 for a frame. So what I decided to do was take this board, use my Mackenzie Child's napkin, and decoupage it onto this board. Then I took these that I found at the Dollar Tree, painted it cream color, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it on here when I'm done decoupaging and use it every time I change out this decor piece. Now it's just going to have a little bit of check around, but this is what it's going to look like. And then like right now it's sunflowers, then I'll change it out to the fall leaves, and then it'll be the pumpkin patch. Now the truck I may use somewhere else or may not use at all, but at least you can see the concept. If you have a scrap piece of wood, just decoupage it or paint it. I could have just painted it and then just used it that way. I just chose to do this since there was just a little bit going to show around the edges. It gave it that shabby chic country look. But you could do it any way you want to do it. But these are just pages from a calendar that I liked that I'm going to change out each season. And what's really great about this is I like the photos that I got from this calendar so much that I'm actually going to do some decor videos for you that match each of these ideas, each of these photos that I'm going to be using throughout the year. You may wind up seeing some bumblebee decor and some other ideas that I'm getting to make some videos, and I want you to stay tuned for that. Now, when I get through with this, I'll show you the finishing touches while it's up hanging on my wall. So at the end of this video. Here is the final project, the final result of my project. I put a few little flowers up here on the clip and some jute twine to hold it in place. But this is what it looks like, all decoupaged, and then I just clip the calendar on, and this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching.